guys, welcome back to my channel Cloudy Secret. If you are new here, do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram at @cloudy_secret. My Instagram link is in the description box below. Today's video is about an amazing skincare product I have been trying for 2 weeks now, and it's a new launch and I am quite excited to share my experience with you all. So let's get started. The product I'm going to talk about is the latest launch from Garnier and it's from their vitamin C range. This is the latest vitamin C serum which comes under the Light Complete range and it has the yuzu extract. The yuzu lemon is enriched in vitamin C and which helps to give us 30% extra boost to our skin health. And why this serum is so amazing and how it worked on my skin, I will talk about it more. And let's have a closer look of this serum.
This is a closer look of the bottle. It comes with a dropper system which is easier to apply, and the serum itself is liquid and very lightweight, gets quickly absorbed.
As I was saying that this Garnier Vitamin C Serum is enriched with yuzu lemon extract which is enriched in vitamin C. Now why vitamin C is so important and why it is a loved ingredient? Because vitamin C suits almost all the skin type until and unless you have some allergies with it or you have some reaction. So vitamin C is a safe ingredient for most of the skin type. And now that we know that vitamin C suits all the skin types, almost all the skin types, then why we use it, vitamin C? The first factor is vitamin C is a great antioxidant and it naturally helps to purify and clear our skin out. Secondly, it is a very hydrating ingredient, so it will lock in the moisture in your skin. That way your skin will be youthful and will have a healthy glow. And regular use of vitamin C in your skincare routine will help you to reduce dark spots and pigmentation, and which will eventually even out your skin tone, and that way you will get a brighter face in few weeks or few days only. And then the best part is that regular use of vitamin C can reduce the appearance of redness in your skin, dullness in your skin, also helps to reduce the sun damage over a period of time, and also helps to rebuild the collagen in our skin, so it prevents from skin sagging and makes your skin tight and gives a brighter effect. That's how you get a healthy radiant glow from within, and that's why vitamin C is really a great ingredient to include in your skincare routine. Now the Garnier Vitamin C Serum is important because it is a must-have step in your skincare routine. It is very lightweight, so it gets absorbed really quickly into your skin. So all the benefit of the vitamin C and all the extract, it will penetrate down into your skin very quickly. It will get absorbed very quickly. So the effect of the serum will be happening quicker than the rest of the products. So as soon as your skin absorbs the serum, it will start working for your benefit, and that way it will help to give you a glowing skin within few days. Also the best way to use this serum twice daily. As the serum is very light and quick absorbing, it will be really light on your face. It will just give the glow and it will not feel heavy or greasy on your face. And to finish this process off, use just a moisturizer and sunscreen to protect your skin. That's it. The serum will do its work. Now I will show you how I use it on my face. So I'll share the process with you guys right now.
I take few drops of serum into my fingers and then spread it and slowly dab it into my face, and this way when I press it onto my skin, it will get quickly absorbed into my skin and it will give me a radiant glow. As you can see, use it twice for better result.
As you saw how I use the product on my face and you saw an instant glow, because I have been using it for past 2 weeks and I have seen visible change in my skin, that the spots have been reduced a little bit, so my skin is looking much more even and it is giving a overall glow to my skin. And the fact is that this is a 30 ml bottle and it is priced at rupees 449. You just need 3-4 drops each time, so one bottle will last you for about 2 months, and this way this becomes a really affordable option for you to try on. So I would highly recommend just try one bottle of this and then you can see how it works for yourself and you can share your experience with me, because you know I love to know how you guys feeling after using a product. So do give it a try, because this is a really affordable product and I have been using it for quite some time and you can see it has not been emptied out, because you just need 2-3 drops and that's it. You just need 2-3 drops because it spreads really well, because it's lightweight. So if you are thinking to try on a new vitamin C serum, please go and buy the Garnier vitamin C serum. Try it for yourself and do share your experience with me. If you want to check this product out, I'll put up a link in my description box below, so it will be easier for you to find, and just let me know how you guys feel after using this product, because I am really loving it. I am really hopeful that you will love this product as much as I do. And if you want to know about more skincare stuff, do subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. Link is given in the description box below. That's all for today's video. Bye bye.